Hi there. I'm Hiroshi, and I guess you could say I'm the guy who, well, accidentally became an anesthesiology prodigy. It's a long story. It all started on what seemed like just another day at Sakura University Hospital. I was just a nervous medical student then, trying not to mess up too badly. This place was intimidating, to say the least. State-of-the-art everything, and me. I could barely keep my hands from shaking.
Remember, everyone, the key to mastering anesthesiology is not just knowledge, but understanding the intricate pathways of the human nervous system.
That was Dr. Yamada, our chief anesthesiologist. He made it sound so simple, but to me, it felt like trying to memorize a map of Tokyo's subway system, blindfolded. Every lecture felt like a whirlwind. While everyone else seemed to be sailing smoothly, I was just trying to keep my head above water. I was starting to think I'd made a huge mistake. Maybe I wasn't cut out for this. But then...
Hey Hiroshi, don't look so down. We all started somewhere, you know.
Yuki-senpai, I'm trying, but it feels like I'm always 3 steps behind.
Keep at it. You've got potential. Just need to find your rhythm.
Yuki always knew what to say, but deep down, I wondered if she was just being nice. Could someone like me really make it in this high-stakes world? Oh, no! That's when it happened. One little prick and everything changed, though I didn't know it yet. I know. I should have reported it. But I was scared, and to be honest, I felt fine. How was I supposed to know that tiny dose would turn my world upside down? If I had known then what I know now, well, let's just say my journey into the world of anesthesiology was about to get a whole lot more interesting. And that, my friends, was just the beginning. Good morning, I'm Hiroshi, a medical student. I'll be assisting with your consultation today.
Nice to meet you, Hiroshi. I hope you know what you're doing.
If only they knew how much I was doubting myself at that moment. What the... This can't be real.
Is everything okay, Doctor?
Yes, everything's fine. You need to step out for a moment. Excuse me.
Hiroshi, you look like you've seen a ghost.
Yuki-senpai, I think I need to talk to you. In private. You won't believe what just happened. I saw something impossible, and then it was just there. The whole nervous system, glowing like a neon sign.
Hiroshi, are you sure you're not just overtired? Maybe you should take a break.
I'm not crazy, I swear. Look, I'll prove it to you. Your ulnar nerve branch is right here. And here's your median nerve, perfectly healthy.
That's impossible. How did you...
With Yuki's help, I started to get a handle on this ability. It was like having X-ray vision, but for nerves. Suddenly, anesthesiology wasn't just a subject I was struggling with. It was like I had the cheat codes to the human body.
The pain, it's gone. For the first time in years, it's gone.
I'm glad we could help. But with great power comes, well, you know the rest. I was helping people, sure, but was it right? Was it fair? And what would happen if anyone found out? Little did I know, my newfound gift was about to be put to the ultimate test.
Hiroshi, you're up. Show us how it's done.
Right, here goes. It was like playing the world's most high-stakes video game. One wrong move, and...
Incredible work, Hiroshi. I've never seen such precision.
Thank you, Sensei. I just got lucky, I guess. Prodigy. Unbelievable. How does he do it? I was walking a tightrope and the fall kept getting higher. Your progress is remarkable, Hiroshi. Almost unbelievable, one might say. I've just been studying hard, sir. Indeed, I'll be keeping a close eye on your work. I couldn't shake the feeling that Dr. Tanaka suspected something. How long could I keep this up?
Tanaka's been asking questions about you. We need to be careful.
What if we just told them the truth?
And say what? That you got superpowers from a lab accident? They'd think you were insane.
You're right. But Yuki, is this even ethical, using these powers?
We need anesthesia in pediatrics, stat.
Please help her!
I'm on it. Just need to do a quick nerve block and... No, not now.
It hurts.
In that moment, all my confidence evaporated. Without my powers, was I really anything special? Or just a fraud who'd been playing doctor? But Yuki, I can't. My powers, they're gone. I'm useless. How can I face patients now?
Hiroshi, emergency and trauma. They need you for a lumbar plexus block. It's critical. Your powers didn't make you a good doctor, Hiroshi. Your knowledge did. Now come on.
But Yuki, what if I mess up? What if I can't do it without seeing the nerves? In that moment, I had a choice. Give up or face my fears head on.
Hiroshi, thank goodness, we need that block now. The patient's sciatic nerve is severely compressed.
Everything I'd learned, everything I'd studied, it all came down to this. Come on, focus. You can do this without the cheat codes. Remember the anatomical landmarks. Visualize the structures.
Incredible precision, Hiroshi. You've successfully blocked the lumbar plexus.
In that moment, I realized something. The powers weren't what made me special. It was the knowledge I'd gained, the skills I'd honed.
You did it, Hiroshi. You didn't need any superpowers, just your skills and knowledge.
Senseis, I have a confession to make. I accidentally gained temporary powers that allowed me to see the nervous system.
Hiroshi, what you did was reckless, but the innovations you've brought to our department...
They're remarkable. Your techniques for ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia are groundbreaking.
We'd like to offer you a research position to continue your work in advanced regional anesthesia techniques.
And just like that, my greatest fear became my greatest opportunity. The powers faded, but they left something behind. A deeper understanding, an intuition. I guess you could call it a different kind of superpower. Remember, it's not about seeing the invisible. It's about understanding what's there, even when you can't see it. That's the real superpower of a great doctor. So that's my story. Pretty wild, huh? But remember, the real magic? It's not in superpowers. It's in here. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some patients to help. And this time, I know I can do it. With or without glowing nervous systems.